Hi beautiful people, I am Tiffany and welcome to my channel. So yeah, it's been a minute for you girl. I took a much needed break, just basically needed some time away. And I was a little frustrated about being a new influencer and a lot of things that go along with that. If you want to know a little bit more about that, I may make a video about it. But I just had to do a little just thinking about whether I really wanted to continue to do this and if it was just something that I could do. And overall, my time away just made me realize how much I do really love it and how much I do really like doing reviews and like just the comments and talking back and forth with you all. So it's definitely worth the hard work. But if you don't know, it is very hard work. I just needed like a little break. But I'm back, so we're gonna ease into this thing. Hey beautiful people, this is the ANNIVIA Ombre Brown Short Curly Afro Wig in 14 inches in the color 1B30. The ombre was beautiful. The color was fire on this. The cap size was a medium to a large. It was very large hair friendly. There's one comb at the top, one comb at the neck with a standard strap. So putting this wig on, the first thing I noticed is how soft the hair was. It had a loose coil to the curls and they just bounced back. This hair kept its coily curls. I just placed the hair where I wanted to put it before I started kind of finger picking it out with my fingers and pulling it. The more you pick this wig, the bigger it will get, so be careful with that. Also, please be careful because the more you pick, it may become a little bit frizzy, but overall it kept its curls no matter how big I picked it. I went ahead and cut the bang because I wanted it a little bit shorter. So I twisted it, cut it down low to start because I didn't want to cut all the color off. And that was good for me. Also, this hair was just beautiful. It had a beautiful shine to it. Like, it was just really nice hair. I also wanted to frame my face, so I took the hair around my face and cut it down in a downward motion. And anything that was kind of hanging out that I had picked out, I kind of clipped that as well. So guys, just be careful with the frizz. This hair shed just a little bit because I was picking it. I put it in a different style so you guys could see that you can style it any way you want to, and it was really beautiful. All right, beautiful people. So overall, I think this wig is really beautiful. And it's not hard work. No lace, no glue. Throw it on, fluff it up, yeah. Holiday wig, everyday wig. That's what you want to do. This wig was very affordable, very easy, very beginner friendly if you don't like lace or glue. Let me know what you all think. All right, I'll talk to you later.